Okay, this is some explanation about how to set up the grade center. So first of all, just have a look at the columns. There are too many here, so I have to remove these and make it tidy. And then I have to change the names of some of these, and also I have to hide them. Okay. In other grade centers there might not be 3 weighted totals, normally there's 2, and one should say 0. Sorry, all of these actually. So delete the average column, the midterm average. For the midterm speaking, it changes to just leave that one actually, sorry. So for this one, just hide. Test average, delete. This is, so where you see delete column, if it allows you to delete, it means it's an average. This one stays. Class participation changes to 20%. Attendance is the same. So you just hide all of these columns. This one is an average column, so we can go. Oh, don't know what happened. So back in, it's Com Skills, spring semester. I don't know how that happens. So basically, you just keep hiding. Oh, shouldn't have been instructor. That should have been hide from students. I do have to delete a lot of these columns, but we'll start by hiding them. Now this is an average column, so that can be deleted. Okay, now these ones, the assignments, when you get to assignments, edit column information, and actually don't bother with that because it's too complicated. Sorry. So I think, right, for all of these, so for all of these, there needs to be hide them from students. Okay, so this means assignment 1, I would just leave that one. Okay, so leave assignment, say assignment 1 and assignment 2. Assignment 3, hide, because these are upcoming much later. So again, this is what you will do on the writing and also on the study skills. For study skills, if there are average columns, you don't need to worry about those actually. It's only in these 2 courses that we have to remove the average columns. It's because we're rewriting all of these assignments and everything has to be changed, but I'm trying to at least keep the columns in place so that I only have to change the writing. So all of these get hidden. So I will complete, oh my goodness, there's so many. Yes, maybe if you did this, right? If you could do this, and then once you get to the end of the assignments, just a moment. Okay, sorry about that. Right, so for the class participation, just remove these. I'm not doing this grade. It should be delete column, okay? I don't know if there is in the writing. This is the comm skills. So the class participation, week 1, week 2, it's going to go. So all these assignments right up to assignment 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, everything gets hidden from the students. This participation grade. Okay, so week 2 attendance and week 3 attendance, just leave that open because it's upcoming. And then this one, hide. And again, hide. And hide all of the attendance right until week 16. It's hidden. Okay. If there's anything in the writing, it will say writing diagnostic and grammar diagnostic. Those have to be hidden as well. So basically, everything gets hidden except for week 1, week 2 attendance, week 1, week 2, or sorry, week or 1 and 2 assignments, number 1 and number 2. And then for the average columns on the grade center, it's deleted. The class participation will stay, but it changes to 20%. Presentation stays. These average columns stay. And then just the midterms. All the others just hide. It's probably easier for you if you just hide them. I deleted also the tests column. No, sorry, I hid from instructor view the tests columns and all the quiz columns. Just hide, don't delete those. You can't anyway. So I don't know if that's clear, but you might have to watch this a couple of times. Okay, thank you.